Hello everyone. This is my third video which I explained for subtotal function in this sheet. As per the last video, I have taken the same numbers 1 to 25 and different amounts over here for some differentiation. This is subtotal function. I will press F2. Is subtotal bracket open 9 and give the range from this to 500. Your data might be up to 100, 200, 300, doesn't matter, but you normally go up to 500 on the maximum side and close the bracket. 9 represents the sum. See here, 9 number represents sum of it, like whatever total is there down below, it comes on the top. No need to go down every time and look for the total. So here is the sum function, subtotal sum function. This is the total amount, sum of this particular column, okay, which is represented with total of 9. Means if you put 9, it will give you the sum of this column. Second column shows the average of all this data till here, or it might be something more also. It doesn't make much of a difference, but it shows the average of it. The syntax of it is subtotal 1 from D7 till D500 down below. Press enter. Okay. 34,600 is the average out for all these numbers. Thirdly, it is a count function. Count function is represented with number of 2. 2 represents count. Same formula. Go to F2, 2, comma, from E7 down below. Okay. Press enter. 25 are the counts of total number of happenings. See, 25. So if you increase something now, it will give you nothing more also for you. It might show 26, 500, 400, whatever it may be. The total counts of these unblanked cells is 25. Then third function also goes in subtotal, is subtotal 4, 7 till 500. 4 represents maximum of the number. See, 45 is the number, 25,000 is there, and 35,000. What is maximum? 45,000. So if we change somewhere below from 45 to 95,000, it will show you that. I will just change it. See, it shows 95,000. So depending upon the happenings, it takes out the maximum weightage number. Okay. Then comes the minimum function. Minimum function is the same thing. You say subtotal, give the range and press 5 over here. 5 number is for minimum, 4 is for maximum. Okay. Now here if you see minimum, it is only 25,000 in the column. If one of the numbers you change it to 10,000, it will show you 10,000 over here, which is the minimum number in the whole column, 10,000. No need to go down up and up again to check it out. That's the function of minimum in subtotal. Now why subtotal over here? Because I have put a filter. Okay, I have put a filter over here for all these things columns. I'll put here also. I covered last column also for the filter. Now here if you see, if I filter it down for the numbers differently showing, I only want to see the 45,000 analysis. So all the 45,000 whatever is showing here, it will show you the total of it. For all these things, again it will show you the average of it. For all the counts in count. So this subfunction total changes as per the filter criteria what we allocate. Once we allocate different criteria, this number of happening changes depending upon the data what you filter. So this normally is helpful for you for a big data where we are having 600 lines data in Excel of some company or some analysis you have to do it. So you can put this type of filters on the top, and if at all anything boss or any senior person ask you, okay, I want the analysis for say 25,000, it can give you everything for the 25,000 in his happenings. This is one part of it. no need to change the lines. Whatever you filter, they will take the total of it. But in sum, what happens down below, you put a sum function, it only takes the quantity from this value from this number till end number. If you filter it down, it will not change. But in sub function, if you put a filter, you need not put this formula again and again. It will automatically change and take the criteria and give you the output. So that is very important for the official analysis when you do it. So I hope you understood this basic subtotal function, which I think explained you in a very easy way, which everybody will understand. If you have any questions to this video, then kindly post it. I can give you the answer if I know about it. Thank you very much for going through it. Thanks. Bye.